Foodie Phonics friends. I hope you're all well today. The letter that we're going to learn about is called letter I. Letter I makes lots of different sounds in words, but the sound that we're going to learn about today is the E sound. Are you ready? E, 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 E. That's right, E, from letter I. Shall we have a look on our table to see what I have that starts with an E sound? I'll just put my letter I back on the table over here, and we'll start in the very front. I have a teeny tiny little butterfly and an ant. They belong to the family of insects. E for insects. Shall we have a look at what else I have on my table that starts with an E sound? I have a ruler, and on my ruler I have a measure that makes an inch. E for inch. An inch is only that long, maybe half of my thumb. E for inch. There's a tiny worm called an inchworm. Shall we wiggle our finger like an inchworm? E for inchworm. That's right. Let's look what else I have on my table that starts with an E sound. I also have a pen. E. Inside the pen is ink. E for ink helps us to write. Shall I show you how to write letter I? It's really easy. I'll just put my letter I over there for you. I'll get my board over here. And on the back, I'll show you. I've already written two letter I's for you to have a look. You start in the middle of your page, you make a straight line down. My line's a little wiggly. And a dot on top. And there you have. Letter I makes an E sound. I'll do another one. Let's see if I can make a straighter line. Starting in the middle, straight down. That's a bit better. And a dot on top. Letter I makes an E sound. On the other side of my board, I have an invitation. You might get an invitation to a party. Let's have a look closely over here. There's the letter I, makes an E for invitation sound. Let's look what else I have over here. I have some instant insects. Yummy! Instant insects are dessert, and these insects were bought at the supermarket, so I can eat them if I choose to. They are lady beetles on top of my instant dessert. Let's have a look. E for instant insects. E for ingredients inside the instant insects. Shall I show you what ingredients I use to make our instant insects with? Over here I have milk, corn flour, sugar, eggs and butter. Those are the ingredients for our instant insects. E for ingredients. Shall I taste our instant insects while you're with me? Okay, let's have a look. Remember, these are not real insects. They are edible insects bought from the supermarket. Let's have a taste, shall we? There we are. I have my instant insect on my teaspoon. Yummy. Smooth and creamy with the extra crunch from the insects. That was delicious, and I hope you make your own instant insects soon and let me know how they go. Join me tomorrow for some more Foodie Phonics. Bye for now, boys and girls.